to connect it. But no computer occupies a privileged position. The network is usually referred to as peer-to-peer network. In this type of network, every computer can communicate with all the other machines on the network, but in general, each one stores its own files and runs its own applications. With a client-server network, one or more servers will perform crucial functions on behalf of the other machines' clients of the network. These functions might include user authentication, data storage, and the running of a large shared resource-intensive applications such as databases and client relationship management (CRM) software. Typically, both peer-to-peer and client-server networks rely on the shared internet connection for access to external resources of these basic network structures. Torrent downloads are basically downloading from multiple personal computer systems simultaneously and combine data at the end to form the file where you're looking for. Problem is, they're way too easy to attach things to these files, and they just get swept into the whirlwind of information, broken apart, and can easily invade your system after you are reconstructed inside your computer behind your firewall. After that, it's just whether or not you have a good virus scanner, they can detect it. IP titles are pain too, in that once you download something and activate it for the first time, it sends information to the watcher program containing the IP address of the computer you were using and where it was downloaded from. These watchers are paid by software development companies to bust people downloading non-free-to-play software. One of the most asked questions in this situation is what I'm supposed to do to use this awesome P2P technology. The Monet network comes into play. Monet network is building a public network architecture based on mobile ad hoc blockchains. The project's goal is to bring blockchain to mobile application where users can coordinate themselves without delegating full responsibility to centralized third parties. The founders believe that the Monet ecosystem will ultimately empower a sharing economy that is void of expensive centralized third-party facilitators that users are required to trust with the security of their data and information. Monet is an open network architecture for mobile blockchains on demand. A blockchain on demand means that participants of a certain activity can form a temporary network for the duration of their interaction without the need of any centralized third party. Monet's vision is to develop a system that does not rely on a specific server but is designed for mobile apps where the users can connect with each other for the length of time to accomplish the task and they need without the constant presence of the third party mediating every single interaction. In another word, the Monet network, an open network architecture for mobile ad hoc blockchains, enable groups of individuals involved in common tasks to form temporary connections or networks by using their mobile devices to coordinate themselves. This is all takes place devoid of the need to rely upon third data parties to handle their data. By creating an infrastructure for distributed mobile P2P applications, Monet is attempting to bolster the sharing economy by deploying blockchains to mobile. Use cases of the Monet project. There are many different ways that mobile ad hoc blockchains can be applied to real-life user interaction: delivery, housing, office space, payments and loans, professional and personal services, pre-owned goods and custom products, networking, learning, etc. Transportation. Monet could enable a fully decentralized Ubers that would cut out the expensive service provider intermediary via ad hoc blockchains. Finance. Monet could allow for the creation of shared cryptocurrencies where the shards are mobile. Groups of individuals could withdraw funds from the main ledger, deposit into temporary ad hoc blockchain, transact exclusively among themselves, and then return to the main ledger. Gaming. Monet could provide a free framework for game developers to connect with a network of users already equipped for P2P coordination, eliminating the need for the centralized server to coordinate multiplayer game participants. That was all that we wanted to say. We think that project is extremely interesting. See you next time. Bye.